It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm told that breakfast is ready, so I'm coming down to see it.
Hi, good morning, Pangga.
Hi, good morning.
The paper. Yeah, order mo. Yeah. Corned beef. Morning. Corned beef.
Got corned beef. Good morning.
Spam. Hot dog. This one is the tiny shrimp.
Shrimp, okay.
Yeah. With the okoy torta. Yeah. Torta talong. You like the torta talong? Mama.
Hello.
And then
Good
this
morning.
one is the pepper.
And
This
the
is
pepper?
the bitter melon, the pepper, and then the tapa, and then the famous vegan chorizo milba, chorizo.
That's that one there.
Yeah.
Chorizo.
Right.
Wow.
Mama, sa baho ko ka. Kain kayo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
This is your coffee.
My coffee.